All right, guys, so we have moved on. We're going to be putting our motor mounts on. This is on the driver's side, and driver's side gets the long one. You can always tell because it's got a little spot for, I think, a ground wire that goes there, if I remember correctly. So the long motor mount goes to the driver's side. Short motor mount goes to the passenger side. We'll go swing around there, and we've already got it on, but you can see there, that guy is short. So what we've got here, we just have the 4 full thread bolts, 15 millimeter head, and they are going to get torqued to, I think the book says 45 on the Cummins manual. I took mine up to 50. So you can check it. I think the Haynes manual says 60, so probably some range. You know, they're pretty good size, so you probably don't have to worry about it too much. So we'll go ahead and get those guys started, and then we'll come back and grab you in just a second. Okay, so we've got these 4 bolts started here, and what we've got is, we just wanted to, another quick thing here, just in case somebody gets stuck. The actual vibration dampeners, the isolators here, those guys have the 2 bolts that go to the bottom, and the 1 bolt goes up on top. The angle looks like that so that it sits in the cradle. It does not go the other way around. It would look pretty awkward if it did go the other way around. You would know pretty much instantaneously. The other thing, so this is on the driver's side, and there's plenty of room. It's a pretty straight shot in there to get at it because you've got the extra distance on it. But in terms of this guy, if you're doing this outside of the truck, one thing that you might want to remember is these are also 15 millimeter bolts. There are those 3 bolts. And if you have an impact driver, you can just knock those off real quick, and then that will allow you to get at that bolt right there. Okay, so there's your motor mounts, the torque specs. I think the Cummins manual is 44 to 45, something like that. And then if you go look on like a Haynes manual, that'll be 60 feet-pounds, I think is what they say on that one. All right, thanks so much. We will see you on the next video.